Myth: global warming is just part of a natural cycle. Fact: the global warming we are experiencing is not natural. People are causing it. People are causing global warming by burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas and cutting down forests. Scientists have shown that these activities are pumping far more CO2 into the atmosphere than was ever released in hundreds of thousands of years. This buildup of CO2 is the biggest cause of global warming. Since 1895, scientists have known that CO2 and other greenhouse gases trap heat and warm the Earth. As the warming has intensified over the past 3 decades, scientific scrutiny has increased along with it. Scientists have considered and ruled out other natural explanations such as sunlight, volcanic eruptions, and cosmic rays. Though natural amounts of CO2 have varied from 100 to 300 parts per million, today's CO2 levels are around 380 parts per million. That's 25% more than the highest natural levels over the past 650,000 years. Increased CO2 levels have contributed to periods of higher average temperatures throughout that long record. As for previous Arctic warmings, it is true that there were stretches of warm periods over the Arctic earlier in the 20th century. The limited records available for that time period indicate that the warmth did not affect as many areas or persist from year to year as much as the current warmth. But that episode, however warm it was, is not relevant to the issue at hand. Why? For one, a brief regional trend does not discount a longer global phenomenon. We know that the planet has been warming over the past several decades, and Arctic ice has been melting persistently. And unlike the earlier periods of Arctic warmth, there is no expectation that the current upward trend in Arctic temperatures will reverse. The rising concentrations of greenhouse gases will prevent that from happening.